In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about why this video made me more money but had less views than this video, which had over 100,000 views. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a lot of behind the scenes analytics for a couple of different videos, some that have over 100,000 plus views and some with around 20 to 40,000 views. To give you an idea of just how much money you can make off of a video based on views, but also that the number of views is not always equal to a lot of money. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this. We're gonna hop into my YouTube analytics behind the scenes. And the first video that we're gonna actually check out is a video where I have 100,000 plus views on it. All right guys, so I'm bringing you with a new angle because I'm actually gonna bring you guys on my computer or show you some behind the scenes, but I wanted to sit here and kind of do it live as I was going through it so you guys could really get my true and honest thoughts as I'm looking at the analytics and behind the scenes. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this and start off with my #1 top viewed video, which is actually a video all about getting a job as a teenager. And that is all I titled it. It literally has a very simple old school kind of thumbnail, as you can see kind of up here in the corner. It's got these bright boxes and kind of bold font. I made it on Canva. This was back when like the super contrasty high DIY videos were really popular on YouTube. Now this video actually has over 100,000 views, and this little thing is just from like a random day in 2018 that apparently the data is messed up. So don't mind that. But the views on this video are super high. And as you can see, they weren't doing so hot when I first made the video back in 2015. Yeah, literally in August, that's insane. And then it started to pick up speed and momentum in 2016, hitting kind of a peak around June, kind of dropped, picked up again. It kind of did really well throughout 2017, and then it's mostly just tapered off as the years have come. So it did really good in 2016 and 17. Now during that time, YouTube wasn't really focused that much on things like recommending videos. They were more focused on subscriber counts and what people were searching in the search bar. So the reason why I feel like this video actually did get quite a few views was because a lot of people were probably searching for something like that in YouTube or on Google. So I feel like that's where a lot of the views actually came from. And as you can see, they really kind of just built up over time. There weren't really any crazy days where I got like thousands and thousands of views. Really, they never maxed out more than 200 views in a day. But what I really noticed about this video as well is that when I went to go look at my all-time revenue, so I have it clicked so that you can see since I uploaded the video, it has only made me a total of $275.41 for 100,000 views. That seems really low to me. And when I actually look over here at the playback-based CPM, you can see that it's only $4.81. Now, YouTube's definition of CPM is a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. It's not a measure of how much your videos are earning per 1,000 views. You'll see a few different CPM metrics in the YouTube analytics, such as the playback-based CPM, which is a cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 video playbacks where an ad is displayed. So what I'm kind of thinking with this video is that perhaps the people who were wanting to display their ads on this video maybe weren't quite matching up with what the video was. So there weren't a lot of click-through rates or potentially people interested in what they were trying to sell. Because to me, that makes me think, oh, it's been like viewed so much, but people aren't really clicking on whatever it is that they've got in front of them, which is just very, very interesting to me. What I also kind of figured about this video is the reason why the CPM may be also so low is because I did not have a lot of subscribers at this point in time. So because I was brand new to YouTube and this was probably one of the first couple of videos I made, my subscriber count was likely in the hundreds and probably not anywhere even close to the thousands. And because of that, I truly believe that YouTube looked at me as a small creator who they were still trying to learn a lot about. They weren't quite sure if I was going to be providing good quality information. They weren't quite sure if my video was going to be high quality. And they just quite honestly haven't trusted me yet as a creator. Because I was smaller, I kind of had to prove my way, and that's still kind of how YouTube works. You know, they're not going to put a really great advertiser on someone's video who has 100 some subscribers when they could put it on a creator who has over 100, 500,000 a million subscribers that they know that they can trust to create good content and that people are probably going to click through and buy. So that's kind of my guess as to why the CPM on this video would actually be extremely low, and why I probably didn't make that much as I probably could if I did a video with similar amount of views nowadays. Let's hop on over to another video. I think it'll be really interesting to show you guys just some consistency between this and a couple of my other older videos. Here is another great video that I did back in the days of college. It's a What's in My Backpack College Edition. This was all before the huge college vlogger phase, so I didn't ever get hit with like that really awesome views because of that. So I don't think that's why this video did well. I think it really, honestly, as you can see, hit off here in 2017. It had just like a crazy little spike that one time, but for the most part, it's kind of just stayed stagnant. And if we go back to the overview, you can again see that the views pretty much match up. And look, it has over 114,000 views. Yet when you look at the revenue, I only made $240 and the CPM was $4.97. I just find this super interesting because, again, I probably did not have but maybe a little over 1,000 subscribers around this time. I really feel like the reason my CPM is so low is because, one, my content was probably not of the best quality. Two, I did not have a lot of subscribers. Three, I just also think that it has a lot to do with what content I was actually posting. Again, here, I really start to notice just some consistent things between this video and my other 100,000 plus viewed video. And it's that during this time, I did not have a lot of subscribers. I probably had around 1,000 subscribers. And not only that, this was probably one of my highest viewing videos ever, and I really feel like it just hit a giant spike in 2017, and then it really dropped back down, and it hasn't ever since become a big video. Let's hop on over to a more recent video. This video I posted about a year ago, and it was actually related to selling clothes on Poshmark. I don't make content about Poshmark anymore, but I have a ton of videos that I used to make during that time. So during this time, I was creating a lot of content centered around Poshmark. Everything from how to ship, photograph your items. I was doing reseller vlogs. I was doing thrift with me's. Anything you can think about Poshmark, I was doing a video on it, and I loved it, and it was great. And I really felt like that was one of the times where my channel was most niched down and where I was really focusing in on one topic. But I really feel like that kind of helped out this video in a way, because I'm gonna bring you guys on over to the analytics of this. This is the Poshmark Photography and Lighting Tips and Hacks Reseller Photography for Poshmark and eBay. So this one has a much longer title, and I really felt like I was focusing here in on the keywords and what I was actually trying to say in the title, my description, and my tags, making sure that all the SEO was really good on them. Over here, you can see that for the lifetime, or ever since I uploaded this video, I have made $537.46 for a video that doesn't even have half the amount of views as the other two I just showed you. So no, views do not always equal more money. You could clearly have a video that has way less views and makes you double the amount, which is really interesting to me. But why I think that this video actually made more money and has a much higher CPM. This one's at $19.97. That's insane. That's a really, really high CPM, and I think that's absolutely awesome. And I really think that the reason that this video did so well is, one, the quality is so much better than my old videos. I have my high quality DSLR camera. I had a really good lens back then. I still have my microphone. Quality was just a lot higher than a lot of my older videos. Not only that, but as I mentioned earlier, I was making a lot of content centered around Poshmark at this time. So my audience was growing like crazy, and it was all people who were interested in Poshmark and doing Poshmark and learning more about Poshmark. And so my audience was really niched down, and I feel like that had a big part in advertisers wanting to advertise on my videos, because they knew exactly who my audience was, they knew exactly what they were interested in, and they knew exactly what they could sell them. So I just thought this was super duper funny to look at and just notice the difference between a video that had 40,000 views versus a video that had 100,000 views. I do want to also mention that with this Poshmark video, I probably had around 6,000 to 7,000 subscribers at that time. So my subscriber count was kind of getting up there a little bit. Like, I feel like YouTube YouTube was starting to trust me a little bit more and realize that I was creating good quality videos that people were really interested in. A lot of my videos were getting like 2,000-ish views around this time, like every time I would upload them. So that was a really good time for my channel. And I think that YouTube kind of picked up on that, and they were like, people are gonna love this video. People are gonna wanna buy whatever this ad is that we're putting in front of them. Let's stick it on this one and see how it does. And it blew up. And this video is still making me money. As you can see here, the stats are still pretty high up. And if we go back to the overview, you can see it got really high when I like first uploaded it. It dropped down, but it is still on like a steady incline, and it brings me in a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and a lot of income every single month. And it's a video that I made over a year ago. So overall, there are a couple key takeaways that I found when I was looking at these different analytics on my channel. One of the first things I noticed was that I think that niching down my channel would actually help to have a higher CPM and also create a higher ad revenue. Because I feel like if you have a very niche down channel, then the people that are watching your videos are more likely to click through on an ad that is related to something they would be interested in. So if you've got a very large following for something that people are interested in, and then someone puts an ad in front of their face that's specifically geared towards them, they're going to be more likely to buy and follow through. So the more people that are actually interested in what they're seeing on the video on it as an ad, the more people are going to actually buy it, which equals more money and revenue. Yay! The second thing is just having a more trusted channel. And this is not something that I can truly say will be quick and easy, because I don't think it is. I think that becoming a trusted channel in YouTube's eyes is creating consistent quality content. It's focusing in on your channel, making the high quality videos with a great camera or equipment, videos that provide great content that people are interested in with a lot of great information, and just making sure that it's consistent. So you're sticking to a schedule and you're uploading as often as possible, and you're constantly staying in front of people's eyes. I hope that you guys found this video not only informational, but also very interesting and fun to watch as well. What I love most about creating this type of video is that you guys finally get to see some fun, interesting analytics and behind the scenes of videos, so that you have a better idea of how YouTube works, how you can do better on YouTube, how you can make more money, how you can grow your channel, and all of these different things. And that's truly and honestly my goal here on my channel, is really to help you guys to fall in love with YouTube and to do well and be successful on it. Question of the day for you guys. I want to know, what is your channel's niche or focus or category? What do you talk about on your channel? I want to know. Let me know in the comments down below. I love responding to you guys and hearing back from you. I'm going to link for you guys 2 videos right here on the screen, and one is going to literally be all about what a small YouTuber income looks like. And I'm really excited for it because I think you guys will love it. I will link it down below for my friends who are on your mobile devices so that you can go and check it out as well. I am also going to link my subscribe button right here. So if you want to subscribe to my channel and stick around, you definitely should. I make new videos every Tuesday and Friday. You can also click the bell notification to get notified every time that I upload a new video. And lastly, I'm going to link my Etsy shop here because I make really cute graphic tees. It's one of my favorite side hustles, and I have a really cute YouTuber shirt you should go and check out. Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.